What an interesting couple of weeks we've had. The lead up to the Fed itself, the statement, the reaction to the statement, and of course last week the reaction to the reaction of the statement, which all means we've had a little bit of a topsy-turvy couple of weeks, and that's very evident in the charts. And that has also given a little bit of a cloud across the market structures. You will notice by this scanner that there are absolutely oodles of key reversal bars this week. All these yellow boxes mean that we have key reversals. Of course, the Aussie pairs, the CAD and the Kiwi, the commodity cares had a better week after some poor ones around that Fed announcement. The yen came crashing back to earth after a good couple of weeks as well, and the euro and the pound had a mixed week. Out of all of that, I have chosen three that I want to have a good look at this week. Euro Swissy is not really a classic key reversal, but this one really comes under notice because of, well, I suppose the double top, the lower low, the lower high. So in other words, the trend that we've gone into, and that of course being downward. You'll notice I've got a buy order on that, and we've been trading that. Of course there's profit in the bank there, so no need to be concerned. I can totally relate to this key reversal bar here. Not classic because it does have a white body, but they're the kind of ones I really like. It follows up a key reversal bar going the opposite direction the previous week, and like I said, the market structure's been thrown a little bit into turmoil by the Fed and the reaction to that statement and press conference. So I'm keen to see this bar actually go short or lead the market short, and I think if there are no surprises in gaps tomorrow morning, and I saw a little bit of a lower high based on this reversal bar, then I would be interested in trading this short. It is nearer to the bottom of this range than I would like, that's true, but a bit of a retracement does get me interested. As I said, maybe on Tuesday morning we could have a look at that one. The second of these, not dissimilar but much more tradable in my humble opinion, is Pound Swissy. And on the daily chart you can see that we have a clear potential, let me call it that, false break. I love the fact that we've closed on the pivots of last week, and of course the monthly pivot as well. A retracement here on those two bars back to this trade line would be absolutely what the doctor ordered here. And if I got a reversal bar at that point, well, not really, I don't even need a reversal bar, I just need a bullish decisive bar here on the daily chart. So if I'm delivered that tomorrow, then happy days. If that actually doesn't come and we break through the pivots and retest, well, the weekly pivot won't be there, but the monthly will. If we broke through the pivots and retested them, that would be good enough for me as well. So I'd love to trade this down to the bottom of the range. The bigger picture, of course, is giving you that key reversal bar of last week, and that's a classic, maybe even tradable. I'd hesitate to advise that, given that there could be gaps in the market in the morning, but this clear potential for reversal is quite evident to me, and I think trading to the bottom of that range is a relatively safe prospect, and perhaps you even get the breakthrough and get more out of that one as well. The third and final one that I'm looking at this week is Euro Aussie. Now Euro Aussie, we're looking at that on the weekly chart again a key reversal bar. Not perfect positioning for this one, because it does look a little bit like a left shoulder, massive head and potential right shoulder here, so this may well go in that direction ultimately. I'm not talking ultimately at this stage. I do see this false breakout, which is interesting, of these highs, and that generally leads me to a lower price once we see those three failed breaks. Tough to be trading into the monthly pivot right now, although there is space to take profit. That's the daily chart. Would love to see a pullback here. The weekly pivot will come down potentially in this vicinity, and that looks great to me. as a potential short if price were to get up to here. Maybe give me a reversal bar, but certainly a lower high based on these. Big tweezer top sitting there as well. I would love to see that, and I think if we can take profit before the monthly pivot off a key reversal bar here, perhaps on the on the daily chart on Tuesday or Wednesday, I think that would be a good way to go as well. So it's weak euro, weak euro, weak pound. I'm not saying strong Aussie or strong Swissy, but I am saying it against both the euro and the pound. So that's what we're looking for the week. And that, as usual, is my 2 cents worth.